October 2014, the fall-colored Rocky Mountains above Provo, Utah, play host to the arrival of some very special guests. They have come from points covering the globe. This international body of delegates represents the climate of religious freedom as it's practiced and fostered in their home countries. For 5 days on the campus of Brigham Young University and the J. Reuben Clark Law School, these delegates will exchange ideas, listen to keynote speakers, and draw upon new relationships formed in a symposium format as they each search for new ways to assure that religious freedoms find a healthy foothold in their respective nations.
The notion of religious freedom is one that has actually lost a bit of impact, or the understanding of it has been lost in the Western world a lot in recent years.
Here we have many situations about other parts of the world, because this we can learn what's happening in other countries.
Sponsored by the International Center for Law and Religion Studies at BYU to promote human rights and religious freedom, delegates were also treated to student-led performances that showcase the cultural values that are shared among the diverse student body attending BYU. The Symposium at BYU brings in presenters and speakers whose specialty addresses not just the values of religious freedoms, but also the encroachments that oppose religious freedom, both in the United States and internationally. And whether the presenters are from the delegate body or a special keynote speaker, each of the delegates will have the option of hearing their remarks in their native tongue.
All the delegates, we just come from all over the world and see, okay, we can be in a very peaceful situation even we are different.
What would you share with other delegates who represent other countries who may not have been able to come this year but are considering coming next year? What would you tell them?
I would say definitely come next year. Make every effort to come next year. And you're not just attending a conference, you're coming to, I think, be part of a wonderful, united family where everyone's committed to the same ends. The hospitality, the generosity, the kindness is something else. So it's more than a conference. It's just a wonderful festival of humanity.
Perhaps the greatest contribution made to individual delegates stems from the friendships and networking capability each attendee will make as they share their ideas and views on the state of religious freedom and how each one will play a role in the future development of those freedoms and how individual laws will protect them in the years to come.
The message is just so important, and it's one that has been neglected by the West for far too long, and not only by the West, but in fact in other areas of the world. And I think that now freedom of religion is coming back into the conversation that's been suspended for a while, but I think it's coming back into play.